Hi guys, as you know, I am in Lonavala and um, I'm here with my dogs. So I have to have some light makeup because they're going to keep licking my face, they're going to be dirty. But mainly, what I want to do is do a look with a bright lipstick and no foundation today. I mean, no liquid foundation and no concealer. And the afternoons are a little warm here, evenings get pretty chilly, and it's basically a weekend away. It's my husband's birthday, and we have come to Lonavala. We've taken this beautiful villa, and we've come here with our puppies. I'll show you one. I'm here with my babies. This is Diva. Dodo is being naughty somewhere, can't find. She is just dying to go out to the field. We will go in a bit, but I just thought she'd say hi, hi. Okay, can I do some makeup now, Mama? Chalo. Oh, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take my Studio Fix, which is a powder foundation, and just mattify my face a bit. I've applied my sunscreen, moisturizer. I will be sharing my skin routine with you guys soon. It's been a big request. I just tell you what all I use. I mainly use all the 82E products by Deepika, which are really, really good, and a couple of other things which I will tell you all about. So, just a little bit. I'm going to just keep a simple mascara look because the lipstick's going to be the main thing today. I'm using this palette. Basically, it's got this neutral orangish shade that I really like. And I'm going to take the PAC 341 brush and just put it on my upper eyelid like I usually do. I always prefer kind of blending it with my finger. Take it till your crease, and if you have hooded eyes, go a little higher. That's it. There's another bunch of people having a lot of fun, so that's what all the sound is about. That's it. I'll take a pencil brush and a brown lash line. Sorry about all the background sound. Whatever I vlog and whatever I do is all pretty natural. Whatever is going on is going on. Just a little bit. I'm going to set my eyebrows. Then I'm going to curl my lashes. Mascara. So when you use the Huda mascara, always use the volume side first and then the curl and length. A good mascara automatically lines your eyes. If you have small lashes, this mascara is actually perfect. And they have a mini size too. So if you find it expensive, give the mini a shot and see how you like it. Now the curl and length side. Eye makeup is done. Now lips. Nude lip liner. Fill it out and line it. Now today I'm going to mix two lipsticks. In fact, it's a favorite combination of mine, and actually somebody spoke about it in the comments. I do it often and I'm going to do it because you reminded me of this combination, and I'll do it today. First I'm using the lip liner Chestnut. Then I'm going to take the lipstick Diva, which is nice and dark. Winter is dark lipstick time for me. Diva. She's called Diva too. Once I apply this shade, I'm going to just dab it a little with the tissue. And then I'm going to take my Ruby Woo, which is the best red ever, and mix it. And it creates this shade, which I love. Just a light blush. This could easily be a winter lunch look as well. And if you want to add concealer and foundation to it, just go for it. If you're watching on Facebook, just go to my video section. You'll find all the videos that make your life easy. And if you're on YouTube, just go into the playlist called Makeup and Glam. So, makeup is done. Works, right? So I'm going to take some pictures outside and share it with you. Give it a try. Hope I'm making your makeup life easy peasy, and I'm going to go and have some fun now.